Hyundai has developed an engine monitoring technology capable of detecting early engine failures caused by excessive bearing wear. The technology, which is called a knock sensor detection system, uses software innovations and leverages existing sensors on the engine to continuously monitor for unusual vibrations caused by worn engine bearings that may precede an engine failure. Engine bearings are important because they protect the rotating parts in the engine, enabling those parts to turn more freely. If an engine bearing develops excessive wear, the rotating engine parts may begin to contact each other and generate a knocking sound. If the vehicle continues to be driven with a worn bearing, the bearing can fail, and the vehicle could stall. In some instances, the engine stall is caused when one of the rotating components in the engine, the connecting rod, stops rotating and fractures. When a connecting rod fractures, the broken parts may damage the engine block, allowing oil to escape and contact hot engine surfaces. This can lead to a fire. The knock sensor detection system is located directly on the engine block, and it continuously measures engine vibrations. If the system identifies vibrations that are caused by an abnormally worn connecting rod bearing, the malfunction indicator lamp will blink continuously, an audible chime will sound, and the vehicle will be placed in an engine protection mode with reduced power and acceleration. Because the throttle, brakes, and steering systems remain operational when the engine protection mode is activated, the driver maintains control of the vehicle. Safety devices, like airbags, are not affected by the engine protection mode. The vehicle can continue to be operated for a limited time in the engine protection mode to enable the customer to safely drive it to a Hyundai dealer for inspection and repair. However, acceleration will be slower and the maximum vehicle speed will be limited to approximately 60 to 65 miles per hour. Nothing is more important than the safety and security of Hyundai customers.